welcome back to another episode, Rent Weekly episode 3. You join us in the workshop. We've got a busy day today. As you know, Hamid and Ray overseas, they're still living life. Yeah, come through, I'll show you what's in the garage.
In for a stage 2 and a full spray. Yeah. Our special machines have just arrived, so we need to unload them. We don't know how we're going to do it.
So guys, here's another E63. We've taken the gearbox out as we normally do. It's getting a custom stage 2 map with decat downpipes. We're going to send it to the moon as always.
That's it, so here we've got the M4 in for a full respray in Secure Orange. It's got the same colour. We've prepared everything, I'm just masking up right now, getting it all ready to paint. We've got the parts that are going to be thrown in the other booth and we'll get it all sprayed together. So yeah, you'll see it in a second when it's all done.
Guys, so we're here with another RS3. Came in for a full outside wrap. He's gone for a satin grey, and now we're going over to Dilesh's car. Dilesh has brought his 440 in. He's going for a full wrap, full colour change. He's going for a satin black with door shuts and returns. And yeah, stay tuned for the colour change. You probably saw the guys changing some panels over anyway. But yeah, stay tuned. Gonna get stripped now. Marion's gonna come in, strip the rest of it, and we'll crack on with the rest of the job. See you later. So let's see what we've got going on over here. We've got Ricardo working on the IT guy, Prince. You must all know him. He's a famous, the famous dancer that goes around dancing everywhere. He's getting lowering springs done. So we're gonna see how that comes along. And next to that, we've got the M5. The M5's getting downpipes in. He's gonna come back later for a tune. I've got Mario in the background throwing up gang signs. So yeah, this F90 M5 is gonna get downpipes. He's gonna come later on for a tune. And in the tinting bay, we've got a C-class getting a full D-chrome. So all the chrome bits in the car, we're making it all black. No chrome bits left on the car. We're gonna make it look mean and aggressive. And we've got the M4. The M4's got the kidney grills D-chrome. It's getting full car tints. And literally any chrome that's on the car, he's asked us to remove it. So same again with the M4. We've got Dom just walking in, checking out the wheels. Everyone knows this car is the MOD. And then we've got the 4 Series, which is getting wrapped. I showed you this previously as well when he was getting stripped, and now we're just cracking on with the wrap. Once this colour change is all done, you'll get to see the final product.
It's Frank from Dyno here at Render Studios. We're fitting the latest 4-wheel drive linked dyno from Dyno, which is the industry standard dyno. We're actually getting on pretty good. So at the minute we're sort of finishing off the bridge section, which is important to get everything lined up perfectly. So when the front dyno moves to set the wheelbase for 4-wheel drive cars running on there, everything lines up really nice. Richard here he's just started putting the link system on. So the front roller and the rear roller, they're actually linked by a belt that we've got here, ensuring that both the front wheel speed and the rear wheel speed are exactly the same. So any car can be dynoed and tuned to the max, which you guys will be doing.
Alright guys, so we're coming to the end of the week. So it's Saturday evening, almost time to go home. We've got this F-Type here for a Quicksilver exhaust. Let's start it up. And then we've got DMO's M4 that's been dropped off. So he's going for a stage 2 package with the wrench source and a crank up fix. He's also getting full car tints done. And we're going to give it big flames. We're going to be sending this one to the moon. So whoever gets this car is going to be very lucky. He's giving this away for free. So whoever wants to enter his competition, enter it now before it's too late. It's got air ride on it. It's sitting very nice and low. As you can see, we've done loads this week. Ray and Hamid have both been off. It's been a hectic week. You've probably seen most of it, but not everything. So this is the next thing we're going to be starting on now. And yeah, so you'll be seeing this on the next weekly episode. We're going to be getting a lot more shots of this and seeing what we can get out of it. But as you've previously seen DMO's last M4, it was crazy quick. So it's going to be the same again with this. Wrench source is going on this, and that's it. We're gonna put the LED diffuser on there. So that's pretty much it for this week, guys. But next week you'll be seeing a lot more of this car and everything else that we've got in the garage. So stay tuned. I'll see you later.